Add a professional recovery and lighting solution to your vehicle with Rough Country's EXO Winch mounting system for the Ford F-150. This innovative recovery solution bolts on right over the factory bumper, giving your truck a wealth of new abilities and aggressive good looks. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, unpack the contents of your package and lay out all the parts for a well-ordered installation. Once you have all your parts laid out and organized, install your flush mount lights on both sides of your EXO Winch bumper. Next, install the fair lead on the front of your bumper using the supplied hardware. Go ahead and connect your ground wire to your winch and install it onto your EXO Winch bumper. Once your winch is installed, attach the light mount onto the bumper with the supplied hardware. Now install the supplied light bar onto the mount and tighten. Install the supplied D-rings onto the front of the bumper. Now that the bumper is ready, we will prepare the front of the truck for the new bumper. Remove the tow hook bolt and loosen the rear bolt using a socket. Slide the tow hook free and remove from the vehicle. Do not remove the rear bolt. Install the passenger side bracket with the supplied bolts, lock washers, and flat washers in the front hole. After installing the front bolt, remove the rear bolt and replace with the supplied bolt, lock washers, and flat washers. Slightly tighten, but do not fully tighten at this time to allow for adjustment. Repeat this step on the driver's side. Place the bumper on the frame brackets and secure the bumper to the brackets with the supplied hardware and tighten. Recheck all hardware and tighten. Wire your winch and LED light up to your truck's battery per supplied instructions. With a 100% bolt-on installation process that's simple enough to do in any home garage and can be fully returned to stock at any time. Upgrade your truck with Rough Country's EXO Winch mount system and gain incredible recovery and lighting power in an instant.